How to check Windows version on your device. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to take you through a step-by-step guide on how to easily check your Windows version on your laptop or PC. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and also hit the subscribe button as well. Now let us jump right in. So the first thing you want to do is find your settings menu because you usually find all of the information about your device on your settings. So just go ahead and open up your settings. And once you land on the settings page, you're going to head over to System. Now just scroll down a bit until you find the option about, which will be at the very end. So if you're on a different version of Windows, like previous versions, like Windows 10 or something, it might be a different settings. But what you can do is click on this About section, and here you will see the Windows Edition right here. So this is about your Windows specification, and if you want to copy the details, you can copy it from here as well. So if you don't see the settings, what you can also do is, let me just close this out first. What you can do is you will have this PC icon on your desktop. Just right click on it and simply click on its properties, and it will directly show you this homepage of your settings. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.